Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams.
Here she is, the star of the show. Yeah, get into it. Get into it. Okay.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree.
Let's start with the basics. This is a 20-inch 13x4 piano color wig from, did I say 13x4? Yeah. Piano color wig from Asteria. Now the basics, construction, everything like that is simple, straightforward. We have combs, clips, adjustable band, and a removable elastic band. I do have my elastic band in, but I'll probably take it out because this is a frontal. So we're gonna glue it down. We're gonna get the whole melted flat look. And as far as the way it fits, it's really good. It's actually even a little big, which I like because again, we're gluing it down. So that's fine. It came in the middle part, so that's how I'm showing it to you. I do have my wig cap underneath, but we'll take that off. Now I could flip it. Which side do I like to flip? I think it's this side over here I like to flip right now. So if you want to flip it, obviously the color is still there. This color goes all the way throughout. This is the underside of the hair. So yeah, the color is beautiful. Hair feels soft. I love that it is a lighter brown as the base because it doesn't look too harsh. I still feel like I look like myself. It looks very realistic. As far as the length, it's 20, so it's like right under the boobs for me, which is perfect because with a wig this color, I feel like if it was any longer or any fuller, it just would look like a wig. Now the hairline is pre-plucked and that looks really good. The knots are bleached. And this pre-plucked like my last wig from Asteria. If you haven't been keeping up, keep up, okay? The last wig from Asteria was pre-plucked as well, and I didn't have to do anything to it. I just put it on and I was ready to go. So I think this is going to be the same type of situation. So I parted off right here so that I can cut this extra lace off and it'll sit flat. As always in the part, I use the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and I just go straight down. From ear to ear, we're going to cut this lace and I just slicked it on back. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this lace straight across.
Got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.
I'm taking one layer of the Ghost Bond glue.
East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I won't ever sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own rise.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet.
This is the edge band I'm going to lay down. I decided I want the part to be a little bit lighter. Right here, I put a lighter concealer, but it's a little too light. Mixed up a foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb. Excuse my hands being ashy, I washed them before I put the glue on. This is my first time with piano color hair, and I have to say, honestly, when I saw so much color, I was like, I really hope it's not dry, because color sometimes can lead to dryness. And straight out the box, it was soft. I could run my fingers through it, no problems whatsoever. Now, I did go back in with a lighter concealer because I felt like the part looked a little bit dull, so this brings it to life a little bit more. I kept the middle part to showcase the color, but side part flipped over, comb straight back. Either way, I think this will look good because the color is what makes this wig, and the color really pops. The length, which is 20, the density, the blend of the color, it took this wig to another level. It doesn't look wiggy at all. I feel like this is going to be a wig that people are like, what? I'm gonna get a lot of questions about this, and I'm actually excited to talk about it because It is that good. I'm not just saying that. If you want to try out some color, a piano color wig, Asteria's links will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it.